Love is in the air, but so are harmful environmental pollutants, and damaging sun rays both can take their toll on our skin in the form of wrinkles, sunspots, and a tired look. Vitalyc Medspa is spreading the love one laser treatment at a time, rejuvenating the skin through non-surgical alternatives. And Paige joins us live this morning from Vitalyc Medspa on Preston Rd in Dallas with more. Good morning, Paige.
Good morning to you and good morning, Texas. Yes, indeed. You do want to look your best, and there's a wonderful way that you can do so. I'm excited to introduce you to the clinical director here, Ms. Taylor Simmons, to tell us a little bit more. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now, many of us are familiar with some of these non-surgical options that are available to us, but let's specifically talk about laser rejuvenation.
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 It's a hard word and an easy process.
It is adding another syllable there. Tell me a little bit about that and what makes it stand apart.
Yes, so just like you were saying, non-surgical, that's kind of the buzz right now. And really with everything, it doesn't matter if you're pulling the skin back or filling it with volume. If the canvas isn't clean, your results just aren't going to look as good. And so with laser rejuvenation, we're able to take light energy and laser waves to be able to help clean the canvas and get the skin looking more youthful.
Okay, so what does it feel like when somebody comes in and has a treatment experience? What will they experience, and what would be, say, the downtime after receiving a treatment?
Yes, so our most popular laser services are from the company Cyton. They're a fantastic vendor, and they have a lot of different options for us. And so the experience is a little different based on what laser we choose is best for you. But we have numbing cream for the ones that are a little bit spicier. But for the most part, it's just a sunburn feeling for a very short amount of time. And we have amazing things to help get through that. But from the most kind of aggressive one with our halo we'll chat about, it's just about 5 to 7 days of redness, a little bit of swelling, and kind of this pepper appearance to the skin, but really something you can continue with life and not feel like you have to be hiding at home.
Well, tell me a little bit about the halo. What is that about?
Yeah, so halo is kind of your one-stop shop for laser rejuvenation. So it's helping with pigment, redness, discoloration, texture, pores, you name it. It really gives kind of what the industry calls a halo glow. And so it is just an amazing treatment for people with a variety of skin concerns.
Well, you have me at halo, that is for sure. All right, so when people are shopping and looking for these non-surgical options, including the halo treatment, what should they keep top of mind when pursuing those choices?
Absolutely. You know, that's one of the things we like to educate our patients about is it does matter the device that people have. You need a very well-made device with a lot of medical research behind it, and asking questions about the clinicians who are operating them. What kind of training do they have? How many patients have they actually treated that look like them? And so we're really proud. We are part of the Cyton Center for Excellence. So that means people are coming to us every quarter and we are training other people how to do these things. And so we're so proud that everyone here firing this laser are experts.
Okay, so now we know that's the things we should really consider when we're looking to a location. But how do we determine what would be best for us with our specific skin needs?
Yes, coming in for a consultation. You know, it's one of those things, we have trained a long time to know these things. So come in, we have a complimentary skin analysis that we can do and help you kind of walk along what your options are based on your concerns, your budget, and your downtime.
All right, just in time for Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
You've got a special offer.
Yes.
Let's hear about that.
JMT, we love you guys. And so we are offering 30% off for the first 30 callers. So give us a call. I think you're going to tell them how to do that. And we'd love to get your skin ready to go for the summer to come.
Fantastic. Well, I will indeed let you know how you can reach Vitalyc Medspa. We do encourage you to do that. You can call 972-441-7761 for more information about laser rejuvenation.
Rejuvenation. You got
it. I was going to say it. At Vitalyc Medspa, or to take advantage of the up to 30% off special offer, you can also go to vitalyc.com/GMT. Thank you again so much.
Thank you so much, Paige.
Rejuvenation.
You got it.
Rejuvenation. Okay, Ms. A. Nelson, back inside to you.